need sound from that to turn on the sound.
Okay.
And then you're going to mix that around. The full recipe is on our website, and I'm sure BrixKidz will have it up.
Yes, it is on our website too.
It's on the website already. So if you're following me on social media, that's great. Follow me on Instagram and also follow BrixKidz. You can look at the page comment, you can see how to follow us, and also visit my website and my links. Do that a good mix. So now that we've added up, what you want to do is put the wet ingredient into the dry ingredient. So you put the dry ingredient there and pour the wet ingredient into it. Then you're going to give that a good stir. And then you add your raisins. If you're using raisins, add the raisins. Okay. Then you're going to get your mug.
Here's a BrixKidz one.
And it could be any kind of mug, so long as the mug can go into the mug. Oh yeah, you got your BrixKidz mugs. That's great. Yep. You're going to put the mixture into your mug. Do that carefully to make sure it all goes in okay. Then you're going to pop that into the microwave for 1 minute. Now microwaves vary. Some people have a more powerful microwave and some have a less powerful microwave. So it's around about so a minute to a minute 10 seconds. So I'll pop that in the microwave now. Alright, so while we're waiting for just turn it back around. So while we're waiting for it to finish, we're going to do guess the veg. So I have a vegetable in a bag, and there is a prize this time. This week's prize is a goodie bag. Now Janelle, who is from BrixKidz, has won twice in a row.
Yeah, and from her winnings, she made her cookies today with her cookie cutter.
Cookie cutters, oh well done.
All her ingredients. I didn't have to do anything. She did it all by herself.
Excellent, well done. So Janelle is our champion at winning. So today we've got a goodie bag with some baking, pure baking ingredient goodies inside. So if you're ready for our Guess the Veg competition, let's see your thumbs ups in the comment section. A thumbs up emoji in the comment section if you're ready for our competition. So it's going to be the first person to guess the veg correctly will win the prize we requested to eat.
We're gonna have to ban her from guessing.
No, if you win, you win. That's just how it works. How did you get it with the tomato? I deliberately just showed it's little bit. But I think your dad grew up around a lot of plants.
She does the planting too. She does a lot of gardening too. So we have been doing some gardening and planting. So
Very good guess, because I thought I was making it really hard, because I just showed this.
well done.
I'm impressed. I'm impressed, really. So, no need to send me no details. I'm happy. I will be sending the goodie bags. Maybe we should just do a standing order. Okay. So, let me turn it around so you can see our cake. That's just come out of the microwave, and there we have our cake. Just going to dig in to the cake.
She doesn't like the banana, so I have to dig it in for her.
Yeah, because I'm allergic to banana.
Oh, okay. I'm going to do another one soon where it doesn't have banana in it. There's a peanut butter chocolate cake, and I also do a raspberry one. So, yes.
Nice. It's good.
And you can see the texture is really good as well.
Yeah, it's quite simple and easy to do.
So it's a good cake. So it's good to make because it's quick and easy, it's cheap, and sometimes, particularly in lockdown, sometimes you just fancy a snack and you don't want loads of it. You just want maybe one. Hi, maybe you just want one. This is good to make. So
Would it matter the texture of the banana if it's well ripe?
so long as it's not, when it's ripe and it's completely
Yeah.
black, that's too much. If it's got black spots on it, that's perfect. But you don't want it to be completely black because then basically the banana's far too ripe.
And
But yes, the banana.
and with planting, could you do it with planting too?
I haven't tried it with planting, but we could try it with planting. Yes, I like to mix it up with all the different things.
Because I was saying to Janelle, she doesn't like eating the banana, so but she likes the planting, so we could probably try it with planting.
Okay, so when we do our next block of recipes, we can try the planting one. Yes.
Yep.
Very nice. In the comment section, if you like the look of this, or if you're making it as well. Oh, you made it, right? So it tastes lovely. So in the comment section, you say it tastes lovely.
Yeah.
So yes, some people are actually cooking along as well. Lovely, excellent. So there's two more we're going to make in the future. There's a raspberry one, three more: raspberry, a plantain, and a chocolate and peanut butter one. So those three will be coming up in the future. So Janelle, there won't have any bananas in those ones. So you'll be pleased to know.
So I guess that you could try different fruits basically.
Yes, definitely. And with the this one's got raisins, but you could put cranberries. You could put little bits of other dried fruit in there as well, whichever you prefer. Yeah.
Okay.
Looks very good. So that was really good. I appreciate that. If you have any questions, please put them in the question box. We're happy to take questions. And then tell us again the next program that BrixKidz has got coming up.
Next program we have coming up is on Friday, where we have children on Zoom sharing their favorite, whether it is the Bible story, or a Bible character, a parable in the Bible, a song that they learn at church. And sometimes we answer some questions, random questions, so children get an understanding of children ideas of the world, of church, of God, of what is happening around. So Friday at 7:30 we have that, and then on Saturday it's a 1-hour program where we have lots of singing, science experiments that you can do at home, follow along, and we also have some object lesson or some arts. And every week I ask the children to read parts of the Bible and create some artwork. So we have what we call Bible Art Challenge that we ask them to read, and this week we're reading Exodus 35 to 40, and they're creating the tabernacle that Moses was instructed by God to build.
That is brilliant. So if you haven't been on the BrixKidz website as yet, click on the BrixKidz Instagram page. There's a link to your website on there.
Yes.
So you can go
Yes.
Every Thursday, 3 o'clock through to 3:30, and we're really happy to have you join us. If you make any of the recipes, please tag us. Please tag me, Kirly-Sue's Kitchen, and tag BrixKidz on Instagram or wherever you are on social media. We can post a picture of it. That would be really great. So,
And we I know in the summer we usually do a holiday Bible club for children. Some people know it as VBS. We do it in churches or in community halls. And because of the lockdown this year, and we're not the uncertainty of what is happening, what we are planning to do is an online version where people can do that at home. So I'm having a meeting with all the children ministry leaders and people who have done those things to look at how we do that and create an online version of Holiday Bible Club.
right, Holiday Bible Club, for some people may know it as a play scheme, so it's
Yeah.
a holiday play scheme.
Or message church, that sort of thing.
Yeah, so again, you don't have to be religious to come. It has lots of things. It includes religious things, got everything in it religious, so we've got lots of different things, science experiments.
Science, art, music, singing, drama,
Yes.
and it's for the community. Usually it's a 2-hour program, and children have takeaway things to take away where they can use, and it's all about growth mindset and being able to use these skills that we teach, whether it's cooking or art, and use them in the everyday life experience.
Sounds wonderful. This is really great. Maybe you need to do an adult version.
Yes. Well, I tell you what, the adults are the ones, because you usually have adults helpers, and they are the ones who usually are finding it more interesting. So I have no problem getting adults on board. Sometimes I have more adults than children, because we are all children. We all have the children in us.
A child at heart.
Yeah. Yes.
It's really good. It's really been wonderful working with BrixKidz, all the wonderful things that you do. For those of you who would like to see more recipes like this, you can get a copy of my cookbook from my website. If you look at the pinned comment, there's a link in there so where you can get a copy of my cookbook. It's also available from Amazon and Lifesource Bookstore and Stamp Press as well. It's got lots of great pictures, lots of recipes, lots of information on going plant-based as well. So really happy for you to do that. And again, check out BrixKidz if you have kids or you know people with kids. Tell them about BrixKidz and the different things that they do. And next week, invite a friend to join us, because next week we will be making some lovely, really quick and simple bread rolls next week. So next week, join us again, and we'll be really happy to have you. So we now come to the end of our session. It's gone so quickly.
Yep, it is.
Yeah, really happy to have you, and congratulations, Janelle. This is on its way to you. Your goodie bag of massive smile, your goodie bag of stuff will be on its way this week.
Probably she'll be the next Kirly-Sue cooking, because she's doing an amazing job and you have inspired her a lot.